Well, I might have lied. I took this thing apart to see what was up with the E unit. And quick little video. One of these tabs is absolutely bent. And you can see on the E unit, or the barrel here. Let's see. Yeah. Doesn't seem to be making contact. At least not in any significant manner. So I am going to bend that back, put it back together, and get this thing back onto the rails. It's actually Christmas morning. I figured we already did Christmas, so I had nothing else to do, so yeah, give me a second to mess with this and I'll see if this fixed it. Well, behold. Oh, almost hit the boxcar. I fixed it for now. I say for now because that little tab that makes contact on the barrel thing, it's kind of weak. I think it'll eventually kind of wear itself back out to where it's not making contact. It was so yeah, every time I remember, I don't have an E-unit jigs, so I had to do it all by hand, and every time I couldn't get the barrel in, it would bend that tab. So it's just weak. Probably a factory, considering how nice the shape this thing is, it was probably born this way. A factory defect, I'd guess. So I mean, NPC goodness, it's just a quirk, I guess, but it does work. It's just a little frustrating. I need to get one of those jigs, I really do. I don't have the patience to sit there and fiddle like I should to be doing stuff like that. Yeah, all right. So this time for sure I'll talk to you next year, because the only other thing I have I could possibly do is that, which I've had for a couple years now and haven't touched. So all right, I'll get back to you.